Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show how to use Object Matte tool in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and this is After Effects beta version, and now we can see Samsung's new tools here. I was used this feature, Object Matte tool, in Premiere Pro, and now we can use this feature in After Effects. For example, I will use this video, like this. Okay, now let's select this person. Choose video and go to again this tool. We have 4 tools here: Object Matte tool, Quick Selection tool, Selection Brush tool, and Refine Edge tool. First, choose Object Matte tool, and let's double click this video for open layer preview, and just we can choose this person like this. This is automatically selected. Let's choose, and here we go, it's done. Now we can see already the version here, and we have something tools here. First, let's choose this for C Alpha Matte, and this brush tool lines, and this for background red, and also we can choose this color like this, for example green, and that's all. Click freeze and waiting for freezing frame rates. Okay, here we go, it's done, and let's see. Nice, perfect. So again we can see with these red lines or this and this. Okay, so let's close window, and here we go. Now we can add background layers with solid layer. Let's add color. Okay, here we go, it works. Also choose video. We have settings here. Let's zoom to for see details, and we can use feather for smooth like this, and contrast, and shift edge, and reduce chatter for smooth removing. Okay, that's good. So let's remove Object Matte effect and go to again these tools. We have Quick Selection tool, and let's double click open video, and this is brush tool. We can use like this. Let's choose this icon, and with hold alt we can choose these details. Let's delete, and next tool, Selection Brush tool. This is brush tool without automatic selection. We can choose only which brush see like this. Okay, again let's delete, and the last tool, Refine tool. This is for hair and furs. We can choose like this. Okay, that's all. And in this news, my favorite tool is Object Matte tool. So if you like video editing videos, we can create like a MrBeast video styles. Choose video, Ctrl D, and this is mask. Let's change the name mask, and this video original. And choose original video. Let's delete Object Matte and choose mask. Go to Effects Preset, search Effect Fill, and choose Fill use for mask. And now we can create opaque animation like this, red alarm. Or let's delete fill, choose mask, right click, go to layer style and stroke. We can add stroke in main character. Let's open stroke, change stroke color white, and stroke size. Let's see. Nice. This is a really perfect feature for create these dynamic videos like in MrBeast. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.